Hello Panthers, welcome to week 8 of Code.org for kinder, first graders, and second graders. I'm Mr. Hernandez The Tech Teacher. Let's get started. Alright, kinders, first graders, second graders, we're starting at my website. We want to look for the Code.org button on the top left corner. It's the C-O-D-E, black letters. Go ahead and click on that. I've already set myself up for this example, but you click on Code.org. You want to click on sign in and then click on Microsoft if it doesn't sign you in already, alright? I'm going to switch over to my ready lesson here. When you sign in, it's going to bring you to your list of activities. Go ahead and press continue, alright? Most of you are all in different places and that's okay. The last week I talked a little bit more about the Angry Birds and the beginning of what the Star Wars Ray activities do. But I'm going to continue with the Star Wars one, get to a little harder section of it, and then I wanted to tell you a little bit about the last lesson of this first set of lessons on Code.org. It's called Harvester. So let me get to a difficult part of the Star Wars Ray lesson. I'm going to press OK. So some of you who've made it this far will notice you have to control BB-8 and get to this medal. You're basically helping collect trash, all right? And we continue to use these very familiar buttons. Down, left, right, up, okay? And then I hope some of you have started to use this interesting button called repeat. And now if I put in repeat, it's basically going to save time. So I don't have to put so many buttons. So I'm putting the right here. I'm going to put a number 2 here. I'm going to click on the 3, change it to a number 2, and you're going to see why. I'm going to press 1, and what that did is it went to the right 2 times without having to do all that. So, but here's the thing, I didn't go down go to the right far enough, so I'm going to make sure I go to the right 3 times. I'm going to end right here, and then I'm going to go down 2 times. So let's get that repeater, press the 2, yep, and we want down, okay? And look, if you haven't noticed, there's these 3 little dots in between the game and the blocks, and so I could make it smaller or larger. I guess I'm already as big as I can get, but you try it on your screens to see this game area bigger. Let's press reset run, and there goes my BB-8. And I've done it. Now, this isn't the only way of doing this problem. I could have ignored the repeats and just put a bunch of rights and a bunch of downs, but that helps save time. Let me do one more of the Ray, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you the new Harvester lesson that some of you might get to this week. So I'm going to repeat twice to the right, and then I'm going to repeat twice down, and then I'm going to repeat this whole thing. A repeat within a repeat. Let's see if it lets me. Yeah, let's see if it works. I haven't ever really done this way. Yeah. I did it. So, anyhow, Panthers, that's how you do Star Wars BB-8. Lots of different ways of solving this problem. Alright? Let's go back to the beginning. Let me go back to our list of activities. And so I want to talk to you about Harvester. So I'm going to press continue. You watch the video. They give you a good example of how to get started and what to expect. But you're this little girl and we want to harvest the corn for the season, right? It's ready. Let's get ready to harvest. And so I'm going to continue using what I learned from the Star Wars and other lessons. And I'm going to move 3 times forward. Now here's the thing, at the end of forward, I've got to collect or pick up this corn. Now notice, I'm not putting it in this repeat block because what happens is I'm going to move and collect, move or pick, move and pick, and it may or may not let me. Let's see. It gives us an error message. I can't harvest that crop from here. And so we got to put the pick down below, and you'll see. Forward, 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 and pick. And there you have it. You've started harvesting the corn. Let's do it one more, and then we'll pause for now, so that way you guys can do this on your own. I'm going to use, actually, let's skip the repeat for now just to show you that you still can go ahead and skip it, okay? Skip the repeats. We're going to go to the left or west 1, 2, 3 times, and then collect at the end, or pick. All right, and you've done it. Kinders, first graders, second graders, this is Code.org week 8. It's your last week of coding. We're moving on to different things for our last week of week 9 next week. I hope you enjoy Code.org. You could always keep doing Code.org, not in computer lab. Maybe you have free time in your own class. But otherwise, can't wait to see you in class. Bye for now.